Today we are going over the ROXTAK mini tripod with flexible legs. It's like one of those gorilla tripod where you can wrap it around anything you want. The unit comes with these accessories for the phone holder. It's clamping down with a spring and along with a GoPro adapter. Here you can see that I'm already using it with my light. On the tripod itself, there is a included ball head, and it is fully adjustable. To lock it, just turn the knob. On the top of the unit, you can easily remove things with a big handle with a big knob. Of course, this is the standard 1/4-inch mounts. On the bottom itself, you have A and B position. We are at the lowest position right now, which is almost flat on the ground. Now we are at the B position, which is much more taller, you could say. Previously, the A position was super low. These flexible legs can let you position the tripod anywhere, in any position. You can easily wrap it around trees or whatever. On the box itself, it says that you can use this for your phone, action camera, cameras, selfie stick. I'm using it to hold the lights myself, but you can also use it to hold a microphone. The unit itself is made of plastic mostly, so it is super lightweight. I carry it all the time with me to wherever I go now. Only time will tell how long this unit will actually last, but hopefully it works for a while. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching.